We found a good spot.
Double header.
Oh my god! Oh, get it! Oh my god! We're keeping that. Mount it. That's gotta be a world record. Okay. Hold it close, as close as you can. Fish number 1, baby. Prime fishing weather condition.
Let me pull it out.
Tell him what you said, Thomas. Fished way better in the rain. Couldn't have timed it better. Beauty day. Oh, puppy dog.
This is why you don't catch.
Oh, puppy
Put
dog.
your rod down.
Oh, puppy
Keep that
dog.
lure in the boat.
But he's gonna follow us.
Hide your lure.
Yeah, but he's gonna follow the canoe out.
Shore. Go back.
You need to get that dog a life jacket.
No, he can swim.
Look at the blue skies.
Okay, hide your lure. Hide it.
Wow, shoot.
Go back to shore, Cooper.
Bye bye, puppy.
Hey, go.
Go to shore.
He's not showing.
Good boy. Keep going.
Don't cast until he's all night long. Hey, and go.
What a dumb dog.
Come on, swim.
What do I do? Swim. I ain't never seen fishing conditions this great. Look it. It's prime fishing conditions. Can I cast now?
No.
Almost.
No.
Prime fishing conditions.
I know. Oh, come on. Up on shore. Go up on shore.
What do I do with fish? Just keep fishing. Just keep fishing. Just keep fishing. What do I do? You hit it on the fall. We should have brought pliers. Look at that little snot rocket.
Oh, you never told me to.
Look at the size of that bass. Dare me to lip him?
I need to kiss it.
I can't get that. I can't get it out. He's blood. I can't. Why didn't we bring pliers?
Oh, I'm sure you said it's Oh, I got it.
We found a good spot.
Double header.
Oh my god! Oh, get it in! Get it! Oh my god! We're keeping that. Mount it! I swear to God, you gotta mount that. Oh my! I was videotaping.
Come on now, pussy.
Oh my gosh! That's gotta be a world record.
Definitely not.
What's the world record?
I don't know.
Keep it.
I'm keeping it.
You could get some good fillets off that. Giant. Beauty bass right here. Hey, Thomas.
The pike.
Hey, Thomas. Beauty bass. Thomas. Thomas. Look. Thomas. Thomas, hurry. Thomas.
Hey, calm down.
Look, there's the brake line right there, so cast right on it. Oh, I just got hit. Oh, I just missed one. You got one?
Yeah, this one probably.
Pike. Nice one? Definitely not. There's no good size in this lake, dude.
Well, that's what I had a fruit on it.
Perfect. Easy release.
First release. Second release.
What, you fishing for rock bass? Absolute giant. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen a pike this big? They're so slippery.
No, it's a little one. You don't grip on it.
I mean, at least they're not big enough to swallow it. This is a giant, dude. You snot rocket. Fish?
No.
I'm getting hit like every cast though. They're just tiny. But you think eventually you'd catch a decent one, or a 6-pound rock bass. I thought that pike was a perch. I thought it was a perch. Oh, hit. Oh my gosh. I'm getting hit every cast.
Oh, fish jumped over the water.
Was it?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, that was a huge splash.
Oh, fish jumped over the water.
It seemed pretty big too, eh? But like a decent.
Half a pound.
Hey, that's a big one all day.
Except for this one.
Yeah. We're gonna catch a lot without this wind though, I think. Fish.
A big one?
No, tiny.
Big one, the last one?
Somehow I hooked his gill.
I got one too.
Are you serious?
Can I just small rock?
Nice one. He's staying deep at least. That was a big swirl. Oh, there we go. That's the nicest one yet. Yeah, it is. Giant! This is actually fun though. This is the cranberry we're actually used to. Oh, I just got hit.
Uh-oh.
Swallowed or just hooked good?
Oh, swallowed.
Oh my gosh! Oh, I watched him eat it. That was really cool. Oh my gosh, a pike just followed my weeds in. I bet you could honestly just go like this. Like just barely toss it out. And just drag it along the side of the boat. He's just buried in weeds. It could be. Giant. Absolute giant.
He's big.
He's barely hooked.
Okay.
Giant.
Bring that in for a breaking.
Break 20-pound braid. Wow! I missed him. Giant. Absolute pig. It's about our 6th bass of the day. You can tell we're fishing rocky terrain.
Like bottom flattery, flat dead.
Barely any weeds, which is weird because pike seem to like weeds.
What are you talking about?
I'm explaining to the viewers where we're fishing. Oh, fish. No, it's the smallest one of the day. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Giant. Holy cow. You ever caught pike that small?
Oh, yeah.
Rock bass. No way. No way. No way. No way. They fight so much harder than the pike do. Yeah, I agree. Why don't they have tournaments for rock bass? You could win a smallmouth tournament with those rock bass. Did you know it was a fish? Yeah. Giant. Holy crap. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
My goodness me.
That is stupid crazy. I've never even seen a baby pike this small, like swimming around. Okay. Look at this bass, Thomas. Thomas, look at this bass. How in the name of anything did that hit that? That guy was screaming drag. This lake is like the description of sarcasm. Got one of the bigger bass of the day here. Give you a good look at him. Here's one of the nicer bass of the day. Choke the Meps number 3 Comet. Black furries color. Just down the gullet. This thing isn't even hooked. Its mouth is just too small for the hook to come back out. Ow! Getting bored of catching big old bass. Yeah, unless, nah, it was definitely just tangled. Oh, biggest one, biggest one, biggest one, biggest one. Giant, 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 giant. He's got some shoulders. He's got some shoulders, and this one's not coming out.
We're not keeping that.
Oh, I got him. Oh yeah, now he's hooked. Alright, for those of you who don't know, this here, this is a sharpmouth bass. You got the brownmouth bass, you got the bigmouth bass. This here, the sharpmouth bass. Pretty northern fish, so you southerners don't know what this is, but this is sharpmouth bass. Holy! He's pissed. I ain't. Ow, these things, dude. Mine ain't. Oh my god, oh, I got him. Oh, no. Just another look for you there. Beauty of a bass. Oh gosh. Just getting a finger full of teeth here. Oh, you do. At the car wash. Oh, it's a dog. At the car stopwatch.